When you have just started your SaaS and you want to earn quick money and you want to have your initial capital, then AppSumo is a good channel to do that. AppSumo allows you to run the lifetime deals, and in return you get the users, initial users. So in AppSumo, when you will click on sell on AppSumo and you'll configure your product, you will have to specify the tiers that you want to sell your product to. For example, this Neom.ai has 3 tiers: license tier 1, license tier 2, and license tier 3. Let's see how to implement these tiers in Indicate. So go to your plan section and there create 3 plans. Here I have already created 3 plans, and inside each plan I have configured required coupon count. Here we can see for 1 I have specified 1, for 2 I have specified 2, and for 3 I have specified 3. And I have also configured the respective quotas. For example, if I have some number of documents or other quotas, I can specify them here. So I have specified them for all the AppSumo tiers. Then you have to go to lifetime deal section, and here you can generate coupon codes. We can specify the prefix that we want to create. For example, if I'm running my lifetime deal campaign on AppSumo, then I can write AppSumo. If I'm running it on LTD Hunt, then I can specify LTD Hunt here. So this is just for specifying the coupon codes from where your coupon code should start. For example, if I am specifying AppSumo and I just want to create 10 coupons as of now, you can generate as many coupon codes as you want. Here we can see the coupon codes has been generated and we can download these coupon codes as well. We can also see the status and we can also see the actions, like we can delete the coupon code or we can expire the coupon code. So let's copy this coupon code, this random one, and let's log in into Charanjit.singh account. Here you will see we have option to redeem our lifetime deal coupon. You can also go to redeem lifetime deal coupon by clicking on manage plan and clicking on redeem LTD code. Here your user can paste the coupon code and press redeem coupon. Here we can see that coupon code has been redeemed successfully and my current plan has been upgraded to AppSumo tier 1. If I'll go to my homepage, here I can see my plan has been upgraded and I have this monthly images of 10. Now let's say I have one more coupon code. Let's say this one. From AppSumo, let's say I have bought 2 coupon codes. So the first one I have already redeemed. Now I'm redeeming the second one. Here we can see that my current plan has been upgraded to AppSumo tier 2. Now let's imagine that person has refunded his deal from AppSumo. So AppSumo is going to give you a list of coupon codes that has been refunded. So you can paste those refunded coupon codes here. For example, let's say this coupon code has been refunded on the AppSumo site. And if you will click on expire coupons, you will see the users have been downgraded to the AppSumo tier 1. And we can also see that this coupon code has been expired. So Indicate is a great tool for running AppSumo lifetime deals or be it any lifetime deal campaigns, which otherwise take weeks, if not months of programming. You can also see which coupon was redeemed by which user. Like I'm searching for this coupon and here I can see that this coupon code is used by this particular user, which is charanjit.singh@gmail.com. So build your SaaS and start building lifetime deal, and you can earn hundreds of thousands of dollars within 6 or 7 months using this approach if your product is good enough.